Balti liiga kohtumine Pärnu spordihallis lõppes Pärnu võiduga 78-68. Balti liigas avati võiduarve ning meil on kaamera ees Ronaldas Rutkauskas, Leedu mängija, kes liitus alles hiljaaegu Pärnuga ja me küsisime temalt inglise keeles, kuidas ta mänguga rahule jäi ja kuidas ta ennast Pärnus tunneb. Ronaldas, you can start. How was the game?
From the beginning we started real bad. I think we didn't respect the team. First quarter we lost by like 15 points, I think. I started bad also. And from the second half we started like a team. We talked with everybody, started talking, and we won easy game. I think it was easy, just like they tried to come to us, but we always kept lead.
How do you feel here in a court? You got minutes, it is 28 this time, but it seemed that you played almost 40 minutes.
I get playing time. Team trust me, give me a lot of passes, so I can score a lot of points, so that's good. Team trust me.
You scored 17 points and took 12 rebounds. It is pretty nice. Who else was good today?
I think all the team was good. Silver played really good defense. Sanchez pass good. All the team actually played good.
Congratulations, and next week we will make a bigger interview, who you are, where you're from, and so on. So good luck for now, and thank you,
Okay,
Ronaldas Rutkauskas.